show you what my move look like, bro. All this glass on my floor and shit like that. You see all this glass on my floor, nigga. I got about 18 more hours in this 24-hour, and now I gotta maneuver around this fucking glass. All right, bet, Kai. We can do that. Two can play that game. Two can play that. Two can play that.
Nigga, my fridge!
Now you can't open your fridge no more, nigga. The handles are fucked. Good luck eating tonight. Your move.
No. No.